everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this week's video we're going to be making two ocean clocks with sharks, and one of them I did gold hands on, the other one I did silver, and I did the sharks and the shells on opposite sides just to make them a little bit different than each other. So if you're interested in seeing how I made these, follow along for this very simple, easy, quick tutorial. First things first, got to do your prep work. So I did 3 light coats of my Rust-Oleum primer, and you want to put that primer down on wood because the wood will continue to breathe, therefore it will keep releasing bubbles. So very, very important. This has become my favorite way to keep my pieces elevated off of the tabletop. I accidentally did not record the very first step to the resin, and that was my beach. And what I did is I just mixed my sand in with resin, and I added a little bit of white pigment, and then I put my shells on top. I let that cure for 24 hours, and then I came in to do my first layer of my ocean. You can see me struggling to move the resin around and blend those colors. I let my acrylic paint set too long in the resin. You have to remember that acrylic paint is water-based, and resin and water don't mix well. So if you do use acrylic paints, you need to add your paint in your resin right before you pour. Otherwise, it turns really gummy like this, and it's really hard to spread and move around. So if something like this ever happens to you, even if you're not using acrylic paint and you're just using your regular pigments, if it starts to set up on you, take your heat gun, heat it up, and then you can move it around. It'll give you a few extra seconds. I didn't do that here, and I don't know why. But fortunately, I got it blended, I got it spread out, and somehow I was able to save this first layer. And lastly, I'm just coming in and adding a few waves on this first layer. On this second layer is where I will be adding the shark decals that I purchased from Mermaid Trash. I apologize for the grainy video in this clip. I was doing this on TikTok Live and I pulled the video from it. So I do apologize. It won't stay like this the rest of the video. the following day, I am happy with the way that they look. So I added my signature sticker, top coating it. I will let it cure for at least a week, and then I come in and will do the clock mechanisms. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial on these clocks. I really enjoyed making them, and I tried to keep them similar but yet have a little bit of differences. So I did do gold hands on the one clock, I did silver on the other, and put the sharks and shells on the opposite side, so give people two options to choose from. I also wanted to apologize for how long it's taken me to get my videos out. I'm having some editing issues, so I'm having to do everything on my little cell phone. So it's been a little challenging, but I will continue to get my videos out as fast as possible. Thank you everyone for watching, and welcome to all my new subscribers. I'm so happy that you're here.